Sequoia. We're in Flagstaff, Arizona. We're having fun here, just off-roading, trying to hit some trails, try not to break it, try not to die. Yeah. So I have a Toyota Tacoma 2021. It's a TRD off-road. So far I did the suspension, tires, wheels, bumpers, some lights, bed rack, and also tent. I never actually driven soft sand like a trail in here, so it was absolutely new experience to me, and it's nice to have like a experienced friends so they can teach me how to drive, they can share the experiences. That was awesome. It sounds kind of weird, but to me, I'm still new to this like a off-roading community. So seeing everyone like experienced friends, experienced off-roading drivers, I feel like I'm seeing like famous people. Like, oh, I know him. I see him on TV or Instagram. Like, I'm meeting famous people. I'm so grateful to meet them.